In this video, I want to show you the essential feature of the school management system. So let's get started. Login. I'm logging in as an admin. And I log in. The admin is going to oversee all the features of the school. We have the student management, the teacher management, but the administrator management oversees everything. In the administrator management, you can manage the students, the teachers. I don't want this video to be that long, so let's get started. This is the overview where you are going to see the overview overall students, how many number of students we have. We have 600 students, how many teachers, classes, subjects, the amount collected for that particular time, the pending amount, the arrears for that particular time, the total invoice generated for that particular time in that academic session. So let's look at the core features. Here is the student. In these students, you can manage the students. So here are the students. I can filter student by academic year, academic term. Let me say academic year. This current academic year. Can filter by term. Let me see first term. Let me see classes. Maybe primary 2A. Let me see primary 2A. So it's going to show all the students in that particular class, all the students in that particular class for that academic session in that particular time. So here is it. So let me see. This is going to show me the is going to show me the details of this particular student. Where is it? The basic information of that student, the name, the phone number, the sales, email, academic session, academic information, the class, the current class of the student, the health session, as in the personal information, the health, emergency contact, so parent or guider information. Now the next, I can also delete the student or edit it if I wish. Another one is to import students. For example, let's take for example a subject teacher, maybe secondary or primary school, where they use a subject teacher. We just download an Excel template from here. Download an Excel template from here. Download. So after downloading the Excel template, you are going to fill it. So after downloading, let me go there. I open it and I fill the names of the students I want to fill. So now here is the downloaded template. Let me see, okay, this first name, let me see, the person's name is maybe Moses. Maybe this person first name is okay, let me say this. Let me say this one is Said. Yeah. So let me edit the email as well. Let me say this is the email. For this, let me say this is the email. Let me edit it. I don't want the video to be too long, just okay. So I can fill other rows like that. I can fill other rows, fill the name, other stuff. Then after doing that, okay, the class here should be primary, because we are using primary, we are not using grade in this particular school. Primary, yeah. So this is primary what? Primary 2B, primary 3A, primary 2B, yeah. Then I save. Yes. Now let me go back to my listing. I can import now. The name of the file is what? Student import template 4. I can click on import. Then I select the name of the import, open, validate file. So file validation pass, then I preview import. Okay, these are the view the first 10 record before importing. So we only added 3 because of time. So import 3 students. This one is in primary 2B, 3A, 2B. So import 3 students. So student has been imported. Now let me confirm. We have this, the name, first name, Moses Israel side, Moses 1, okay. That's primary 2B. Let me go to primary 2B. Academic year. The academic term. Let me say first term. Primary 2B. Let me select the class to be primary 2B. Primary 2B. Now we are going to see only the student for this class, so I can check or filter to find the name of the one I just imported. Let me say Israel. Let me find it here. So it's going to filter for that name in that particular class. Let me see. Oh, sorry, Israel is in primary 3. Let me say side. Yeah. So means we have 2 sides. What is different in them is the admission number and their email. So that's that on that. That's that on that. Apart from we importing, you can import, you can just add single students. Just fill this place, it to just create a single student. If admin is just a single student want to add, if it's 1 or 2, we might not import as well. We just fill this place, then quit. If you want to add the second one, you can also add it here, then quit to students like that. Now when we are done with that, let me go to the next one, the teachers. Here we are going to see all the teachers in that school, all the teachers. You can add teacher here, just fill this place. After filling it, then you click on create, then it's going to create this teacher. You can delete any teacher or edit this thing. Okay, edit it. Now the next one is parent guardian. In the parent guardian, you're going to see all the parents, and we can filter them based on their child or children's class. Let me say first term, the class. I'm going to filter by the class. Let me say primary 1B, primary 1B. Okay, in primary 1B, or let me say primary 2C. Yeah, in primary 2C, we have 34 parents and first child, because I think each one of them are having one child in that class. Now here I can just view the details of this parent. Here is the basic information about that parent, occupation of yourself, the children or child information. The child is in primary 2C. Okay, the name of the child, all the stuff, you get it from here. So you can easily find the parent by the student, or find a student by the parent. Even you can just, if you get the parent, you can see the student or child information. You can delete the parent, change the role, all the stuff. You can add the parent here. User management. So this is the user management, where the admin is going to see the total users, all the users in the school. That's the student, teacher, every one of them. The administrator is going to see it over here, and we can filter as well. We can filter by the academic year, term, class. So let me say 15 by academic year, then filter by term, class. Filtering by the term. Let me say second term. Class. Let me say for the class, let me assume primary 1C. Just now, after that, I'm going to filter by the rows, because the system is a row based. We have the student, teachers, parents. Let me say students. Now it's going to filter by the class. It's going to bring all the students in that particular class. Let's see. Class, academic year and term. So in this present class, primary 1C, you have 56 students. I can also filter by their parents, by parent. So it's going to bring the parents of these students. You have the 56 parents as well. Here you can see the details of them. So this is the parent detail. Likewise, you can see for the children or child as well. You can filter by, even though we can get the teachers. I'm going to bring the teachers for the academic term, for the academic section, the teachers in the schools. Now you can add a user here. You can add a new user here. Okay, let me go to the next, which is classes and grades. So these are the classes in the school. We have the primary 1 A, B, C, primary 2 A, B, C, and thereabouts. In this primary 5, we have 5A and 5B only. We can create a new class if we wish. We just come here to create a class. After that, we click on create. Now, grade level, for every class there is a grade level. That's we are using this for example as in primary school. So this is primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the grade levels which are this, and we can create or add new level from here. We can update it from here, update it or edit it, and we can also delete it. Now let's go to the next one, which is subject. So these are the subjects offered in the school. You can add new subject and thereabouts. You can edit it and delete a particular subject. Next one is the grading scale, and you can search for a subject here. So next one is grading scale. So here we are having the grading scale from 80 to 100 according to this school, 70 to 79. We can add our grading scale depending on how we want it. We add it here, then we create. Then we create the grading scale. Then it's going to appear here. We can edit it if we wish. We can edit it or update it. Likewise, we can delete it as well. Next, let me go to the next one because we don't want this video to be too long. So here are the field type. Here are the field type for this particular school. Yeah, that's the tuition fee, development fee, exam fee, all those stuff. I can add a new field type, just the name and the description, then we add and click. After adding the field type, the next one is going to be the fee structure. In the fee structure, we are going to select the academic session, then the academic term. Let's say first term, for example. So it's going to show all the fee structure for the academic session and term we selected. Now here we can say, okay, maybe we want to see the tuition fee only, but let me say class, for example. Let me say primary 4A. Take for example point 4A. Now here are the fee structure for this particular class. Tuition fee, visit, development fee, exam fee, library fee. These are all the, if textbook is going to be there, textbook, maybe mathematics textbook, you can just put it in the fee type, mathematics textbook. Then we add it here in the fee structure with the amount, due date. You can edit it and add fee structure. You can add a new one by selecting the fee type, the class you want to add it to, the academic year, academic time, then we click on create. Next is the invoice. Let's go to the invoice. Here also we are going to filter by the academic year, academic term. Let's say first time example. So it's going to load all the invoices for this particular time, this academic section. So here are the invoices. Here are all the invoices. Then I can filter by class. Let me say primary 3A. So here are the invoices for this class, which is primary 3A. So now this is the total amount due. This is the, for this person, he has not paid anything. That's why the balance is still the same thing as the amount he's supposed to pay. That's why it is written unpaid, partially paid. This is the amount due. This is the amount he paid. This is the balance. So he has paid some part. That's why it is written partially paid. Let's see. It's going to show the details, the students information, the academic information, financial summary, total amount, the amount paid, the outstanding. That's what we see over there, and we can download it if we wish. Now that's that for the, and we can also filter by, okay, those people that are unpaid, you can filter by unpaid or by unpaid. Those people that have not paid for that particular, in that particular class. See, these are the unpaid, and we can also filter by paid and partially paid as well. So let's not take it too long. You can generate an invoice here. So you can generate an invoice here after selecting all the criteria, like the academic year, time, class. So next we go to the payment. We are going to select the academic year as usual. So these are the payments for this academic session. Now let's select the term. Let's say the current term, which is first term. It's going to show the payments for only this term in this academic session, and also these are the payments for this term in this academic session. And also you can filter by class. Let me say primary 3B. So it's going to show all the payments for this class only. So these are the payments for this class only. These are the student name, the amount paid. So this just, and we can record a payment when a student pay. We do the recording here. We selecting, we are going to select the invoice, the pay amount he paid, payments method, all this stuff. We do everything here. Then we add the record. Next one, let's go to the record results. Select the academic year. Next, we are going to select the academic term. Let me say first term. After that, we are going to select the class. Let me say primary 1C. It's going to bring you all the results for this class in this academic session of this academic term. So these are the results. These are the results. So you can get a particular subject only. Let's say example computer studies. It's going to show the results for only computer studies. Here is it. Here is it. Computer studies. These are the name of the student, the class, and these are the scores. Now, in this school, we have only two tests, test 1 and 2, and exam. Total is going to do it and give us the grading, as we have already registered our grading scale. So from there, it's going to pick it. Now, also we can also import our results. Here we are going to download the template. Let's say for example, let's say first time class, let's say for example maybe primary 2B subject, let's say for example physical education. Then we download templates. So the template is what we are going to use to fill the result. Then we are going to import it back. Result template downloaded successfully. So okay, here is it. Let me open it. So when I download, open it, this is it. After opening it, it automatically fill in the student name, as in the student name is in the system already. It automatically fill it, the subject, the class, academic year, academic time. Mine as the teacher is just to fill in the scores. Maybe for example, in this test 1 score is a score 16 here, test 2 maybe is over 2020, maybe 20, exam is over 60, maybe in my school we only do 1 and 2, exam is over 60, maybe for example you score 50 here. This second person I will just fill for about 3 or 4, maybe for example here is scored 12 as well, 12, maybe this person scored 10 here, maybe here is scored 30, maybe here is scored 18, example here is scored 9. I'm just giving an insight. Maybe here is called maybe 35. Yeah, I'm just leaving for 3 and I save. Notice I didn't fill the other ones. The ones I didn't fill is going to automatically fill the students. Is assume they didn't do the test and the exam. So after saving it, let me go back to my. Then from here I can import. I'll just click on choose file. Then I select the one I want to upload. Then I click on import. All results uploaded. So I can confirm the results have been uploaded. Let me go back here to confirm is uploaded result. This for primary 2B, which subject? Physical education. Now let me say primary 2B, sorry, first time. Yes, so it's first time. Physical education, here is it. So it's going to show us the result, the one we just uploaded. You can see, as I said earlier, it will show only the other ones that I didn't fill. They are going to be filled automatically. Yeah, when you notice I only fill in the test 1, 2 and the exam, so it's not that do the summary, grade level and the status. That's for that. That's how we import our scores, our result, our scores. So next, report. I can download the result report for a particular class. Let's say this first time as well, maybe primary 3A. Then I click on export. It's going to download the results for this class. Let me see here. The other one is okay, here is it. This person, these are the subjects offered, these are his scores, past, yes. The second person, these are the results for the class in the academic section of the academic time. So ranking, let me take for example, let me see for Mrs. example, academic year, let me say this, academic term, let me say maybe first as well. Then I generate report generated successfully. So this is some class statistics. Total students in this class is 38. Highest score is 657, which is this. That's why I came first. Lowest score is 475. The lowest class average is percentage wise. So as you can see, it ranks it according to their position. This person came first. with a total score of 657 and average score of 82.13, like this. 80, that's why I came second. 75.5. So that's that. The next one that I'm going to show is the report card. So these are the report card generated so far. That's Primary 1B. This first time the type is term because we have annual. You can see the results or the report card here. Student name, class, position, this person came first, average score, the subject of the scores and the grading scale, class teacher, comment, the principal comment. You can just view it here. You can edit it, you can download it here for this particular student. You can also do a bulk download if you want to download for all the students in this particular class. First, we are going to select the year. Next, we select the time. Let's see example first time. Select the class. Select the class. Let's see from 1B. For this class, you want to download bulk download. You want to download for all the students at once instead of you downloading one after the other. Just click on bulk download. So it's going to download. And also, if you want to generate for other classes, for example, I already generated for this. Let's assume I want to generate for Primary 1B, Primary 1A. Let's assume first time as well. Just click on bulk generate. After selecting the year, term, and the class, we click on bulk generate. Then it's going to generate for Primary 1A. So when we click on the bulk generate, we're going to say okay, we should select how many number of days this person, the student came. Let's assume is 168 or 165. Days absent. Out of 170, days absent should be 5, because since they are present for 165 days, academic time, let me say for example, let me say first time as well, class teacher comment, good student. Or let's say brilliant student. Brilliant. Because all the class teacher comment is going to show a particular student, individual student, so it's going to be singular. Let me say Primary 1B, no, Primary 1A. I want to generate for Primary 1A. Principal comment, let me say satisfactory. Yeah, yes, it's time. Behavioral score, let me say punctuality. Let me give you the scale of 5 years, because 165 out of 170 they are punctual. Yes, 5. I can add other ones, but let me just leave it at that. Skill, let me say leadership. Let me say very good. Comments, I can leave it. Now I click on generate report card. So it's going to generate for that class. So click on generate report card. Successfully generated 32 report cards. As you can see, it has generated this class as well. So 77.38 came first. Now the one I downloaded the other time, okay, 722 download. Here is it. Okay, sorry, 053 10 is 053. Here is it. Let me extract it first for the bulk report card. So these are all the students report card for that class. Extract to. Okay. You can close it. Okay, here is it. Here is it. So these are the report card. Let me open one. Let's say for example this. Now, and this is the report card. This is the report card. Another thing. Let me go to the next one because this time is going. I don't want the video to be too long. So next one I want to show is the academic years. This is where we add our academic year. Academic year name, start date, end date. If I want to also I add it here. Likewise, the academic term. Select the academic year to show the academic terms of the academic session. So these are the academic terms, and this is the current term. So let me just pause it for here. Let me just stop it for here. The video is already long, so I would have showed the student dashboard, the teacher dashboard. So, but it's and the parent dashboard, but it's going to be too long. Let me just leave it as the summary of this. So as the summary. If you want me to help you and develop your software, or you want to register on our platform, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me, so I can help you develop your own software. May not be school management system, any other software. Just use the engagement link in the description to engage me, so you can get started. And also, if you want to register on our platform, that's nice as well. Thank you.